TONEX versus Headrush MX5. Which guitar processor is better? Choosing the right guitar processor can transform your sound without complicated setups. TONEX offers AI-driven tone modeling, while Headrush MX5 provides versatile amp and effects simulation. TONEX and Headrush MX5 are both powerful guitar processors, but their core difference lies in technology. TONEX uses AI to replicate authentic amp tones, while Headrush MX5 relies on advanced impulse response and modeling for a broad range of sounds and effects. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar processor developed by IK Multimedia that uses artificial intelligence to capture and recreate the unique sound of classic and modern amplifiers. It works by analyzing the tonal characteristics of real amps and applying these profiles to your guitar signal in real time. This approach allows for highly authentic and dynamic tones without the need for physical amp gear. TONEX excels in delivering detailed amp emulations, making it ideal for players seeking studio-quality sound with minimal setup. Its strengths include ease of use, realistic tone reproduction, and seamless integration with digital audio workstations. However, it requires a stable connection to the TONEX cloud service for processing, which can be a limitation for offline use or low latency demands. The ideal user is a guitarist focused on recording or live performance who values accurate amp tones and wants a compact, software-driven solution. For more details, visit IK Multimedia's official TONEX page. The Headrush MX5 is a compact multi-effects and amp modeler designed by Headrush, offering a wide array of amp simulations, effects, and user-friendly controls. It operates through advanced impulse response technology combined with high-quality digital modeling to deliver rich, versatile tones suitable for various genres. The MX5 features a color touchscreen interface for easy navigation and quick tone adjustments, making it practical for both stage and studio environments. Its strengths include a broad effects library, intuitive workflow, and the ability to save presets on the device without relying on external processing. Limitations include a smaller footprint of amp models compared to some software-based processors and less emphasis on AI tone replication. The MX5 is ideal for gigging guitarists and hobbyists who want a reliable, all-in-one hardware solution with tactile control and minimal setup. More information is available at Headrush's official site. Comparing TONEX and Headrush MX5 highlights key trade-offs. TONEX's AI-driven amp modeling offers unmatched realism and dynamic response, perfect for recording or players who prioritize tone authenticity and studio integration. However, it depends on cloud processing, which may introduce latency or connectivity issues. Headrush MX5 provides an all-in-one hardware unit with instant access to effects and amp models, suited for live performance and players who prefer hands-on control without external dependencies. While its amp selection is broad, it may lack the nuanced realism of TONEX's AI profiles. In real-world use, TONEX excels in controlled environments with stable internet, whereas MX5 shines on the road or in quick setup scenarios. Choosing between them depends on whether you value AI-powered tone accuracy or standalone hardware versatility. Choose TONEX if you need the most authentic amp tones, powered by AI, and primarily work in recording or controlled environments with a reliable internet. The Headrush MX5 is the better choice for guitarists seeking a versatile, hands-on hardware processor with extensive effects and amp models, ideal for live use and easy setup. Both excel in their domains, so pick based on your playing style and environment.